Summarize 4 main methods to check silver jewelry and demonstrate how Primarose checks our jewelry regularly. There are 2 kinds of methods. Destructive ones mean the samples will be destroyed while testing. They create more accurate results but take longer time and more costs. Non-destructive means the samples will be unharmed. It is not expensive and fast but generates less accurate results. Today we will summarize 4 main methods to check the purity of precious metals in jewelry. And next we will demonstrate the X-ray technique.
Auto-titration is very accurate, unlike the non-destructive methods that cannot detect cheap alloy with silver coating. But Primarose can use every technique because we are confident that our samples are solid silver, not plating.
Here is an example of a titration machine that used in the lab. First, they will cut a small piece of the sample to melt in an acid solution and mix it with a base solution. After the reaction process, they will take the mixer to calculate the silver content. This certificate shows the result of our silver ring with the auto-titration method. If you see the sample before and after, you will see that it was destroyed. That's why it is not a very popular method. It states that our ring contains 94.09% of silver. The sample will be melted with acid and scanned by a spectrum machine. Each element will release energy at different spectrums. The machine will read and differentiate those spectrums. These spectrum results will indicate the types and quantities of each element. The machine will use the ultrasonic wave to measure the sound wave of each element. Each element has a different speed of a sound wave. For example, gold's sound wave has 3,300 meters per second speed. Lead's sound wave has 2,200 meters per second speed. The X-ray machine will analyze the fluorescence of each element. This method is not expensive and easy. We will demonstrate how to test with this method soon. To demonstrate the X-ray technique, we went to GIT, or the Gem and Jewelry Institute of Thailand. It is the government organization, which is one of the most reliable places in Thailand to inspect the authenticity of any valuable metals and gems. It also provides other jewelry services. But this video will focus on valuable jewelry.
Today we took a pair of cufflinks to test whether the silver content reaches 92.5%.
All laboratories are certified by the World Jewelry Confederation. They have many laboratories to test precious metals, but today we will use only the X-ray lab.
First, put a pair of cufflinks into the X-ray machine. Then, the lab staff will test 3 spots on the surface to find the average value. After that, she will wait for around 60 seconds. As you can see on the screen, the cufflinks consist of 94.686% silver, 5.3% copper, and 0.0077% zinc. They do not have any dangerous substances. Because their silver content is more than 92.5% and no dangerous substances, these cufflinks can be categorized as real precious silver jewelry. Alternatively, this method can be self-checked in the corporate too with a smaller version machine. It does not require a specialist to test, so the staff can do it by themselves. However, the tested jewelry will not get the certificate from a reliable institution.
Primarose. Competitive price, fine quality, delivery on time.